Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone black screen but still on. Alright, let's begin. If your iPhone screen is black but you can still hear sound, it means the phone is on but the display is not responding. The easiest way to fix this is by doing a force restart. First, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it even if the screen stays black. After a few seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. Once the logo appears, release the power button, your iPhone should restart and the screen should come back on. If the force restart does not work, your battery might be low. Plug your iPhone into a charger and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After charging for a while, try the same button combination again. This should help the screen turn back on. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone black screen but still on. That's it for this video. Thanks.